आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, so our question is draw the graph of y is equal to cot inverse x plus sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x. Now one thing very important, that we know that sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is equal to what? Pi by 2. So what we need to draw? We need to draw y is equal to cot inverse x plus pi by 2. Now what we need to do is just draw the graph of y is equal to cot inverse x and shift this graph in positive y-axis with pi by 2 units. Okay, so just draw the graph of y is equal to what? Cot inverse x. That means this is what? We know the graph of what? We know the graph of cot inverse x. So this is what? This is the graph of cot inverse x. This point is what? This point is actually pi by 2. And this thing is what? There is the asymptotes, which is what? Pi and 0. So this is what? This is pi, y is equal to pi, and this is what? X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Okay, now this thing is what? This is a graph of cot inverse x. Now what you do is just shift this graph in positive what? A positive y-axis with pi by 2 units. Okay, so this graph is, if you extend this graph, okay, if you extend this, so this becomes what? So this becomes something like that. This is what? This will be actually, this thing is what? If you what? So this will be something like that. Okay, this is something like that. Now this point is what? This point would be at this point already is a pi, and this thing is what? Y is equal to pi by 2, and this thing is what? This thing is x is equal to, y is equal to, this is what? Pi plus 3 pi by 2. That means pi plus pi by 2, that means 3 pi by 2. Okay, now this is the graph of y is equal to cot inverse x plus pi by 2. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।